Here is your edited version. I changed only a few words, kept the structure and meaning the same, maintained long length, removed headings, used simple English, and fixed punctuation. The volume is preserved and expanded to stay over 9,000 characters. If you knew that just one single sentence, one carefully chosen line, could make her heart beat faster and make her remember you for years, would you still waste your time using weak phrases like "you are hot" or "nice dress"? Most men never pause to think about this. They speak without intention, without awareness, and without understanding how much power their words really carry. Attraction is rarely about saying more. It is about saying the right thing at the right moment. Most men believe attraction comes from looks, money, or status. They think if they have the right clothes, the right job, or the right lifestyle, everything will fall into place. But the truth goes much deeper than that. What truly separates one man from another is how a woman feels when she is around him. That feeling stays long after the conversation ends. One of the most overlooked tools you have is a well-timed, well-delivered compliment. Think about it carefully. Have you ever seen a woman's mood shift completely just because of something a man said? One sentence, when spoken with confidence and calm, can change how she sees you permanently. Not for a few seconds, not just for that day, but for a long time afterward. That is the power most men never learn to use. Today we are breaking down 8 powerful compliments that go far beyond shallow praise. These are not desperate lines meant to impress. They are not cheap words thrown out to get a reaction. These are deep psychological compliments that touch something instinctive in her mind. They make her feel noticed, valued, and drawn to you on a deeper level. And here is a hard truth most men avoid. If you keep throwing out generic compliments like "you look cute," "nice outfit," or "you are hot," you become background noise. You blend into the endless stream of messages she already gets. You become forgettable, but when you understand a more disciplined, calm approach to attraction, you begin to see something important. The real power is not in talking more, it is in speaking with control, intention, and purpose. It is how your words make her feel inside that stays with her. If you are ready to raise your presence, stand apart from other men, and leave a lasting impression, then stay focused. These are not tricks, they are expressions of awareness and self-control. A man who understands himself speaks differently. A man who respects his own words never wastes them. The first compliment is about scent. Saying something like, "that fragrance you are wearing is intoxicating. It smells incredible." This is something most men completely ignore, yet it is extremely powerful. Scent is directly tied to memory and emotion. A certain smell can instantly take you back to a moment, a place or a person, a warm night, a comforting hug, a memory that suddenly feels alive again. This happens because scent is linked to the limbic system, the part of the brain that handles emotion and memory. So when you notice her fragrance, you are not just saying she smells good. You are telling her that her presence stays with you. That idea is deeply attractive. Most men stick to lazy compliments. "You look nice. That dress is cute." But a man who notices how she smells shows presence and attention. He is aware, he is grounded, and that makes him different. A calm man understands that words have weight. He does not speak just to fill silence. He chooses his words carefully. When you say something about her fragrance, say it calmly. Say it with certainty, not with nervous excitement. Speak like a man who knows his value and has nothing to prove. When you do that, she will remember it. Every time she wears that scent again, that memory will return. That is not luck, that is psychology. The second compliment focuses on her smile, saying something like, "your smile could light up an entire room." Many men underestimate this one. A smile is not just a physical feature, it is energy. It changes the atmosphere instantly. When you say this, you are not talking about her teeth or lips. You are acknowledging her presence. You are telling her that her energy affects the space around her. Think about a time when a room felt heavy or tense and someone walked in with a genuine smile. Everything shifted. That is influence. Most men only notice surface beauty, pretty smile, nice lips. But a man who pays attention notices impact. He notices how her smile makes people feel more relaxed, more open. When you acknowledge that, you are saying, "I see what you bring, not just how you look." That kind of recognition stays with her. A calm man understands presence. He does not need to be loud or flashy. His quiet awareness gives his words depth. When he speaks, they land. When you notice her smile with sincerity, she feels truly seen. The third compliment is about authenticity, saying something like, I really admire how real you are. You do not try to fit in. You are just yourself. We live in a world full of masks. People adjust their personalities to be accepted. Authenticity is rare. When you recognize it, you are honoring courage. Being real is not always easy. It is not always comfortable, but it is powerful. Women hear compliments about their looks all the time. But when a man respects who she is beneath the surface, it hits differently. You are telling her that she does not need to perform, that who she is truly matters. From a calm mindset, truth is more important than approval. A man who values honesty recognizes it in others. When you give this compliment, you are offering respect, not validation. That creates a deeper connection. The fourth compliment is about her perspective, saying something like, I really like the way you see the world. It is unique, and it makes me think. Many people move through life on autopilot. They repeat ideas without reflection. But when you meet someone who thinks differently, who questions and observes, it stands out. When you acknowledge her way of thinking, you are valuing her mind. You are telling her that her thoughts matter. Most men only notice appearance, but when you notice perspective, the interaction changes. She feels understood. A calm man values clarity, reflection, and independent thought. When you recognize that in her, you connect on a deeper level. The fifth compliment is about emotional strength. You might say, I respect how you handle challenges. You do not fall apart easily. This goes far beyond praise. It shows that you notice how she moves through difficulty. Many people only show interest during good times, but noticing resilience shows depth. You are telling her that you see her strength, not just her softness. That balance is powerful. A calm man understands hardship. He respects endurance. When you acknowledge this in her, it builds trust and admiration. The sixth compliment focuses on presence, saying something like, when you are around, things feel calmer. This is subtle but deeply effective. You are not praising looks or achievements. You are describing an emotional effect. You are telling her that her presence brings peace in a chaotic world that is rare. This kind of compliment makes her associate you with safety and ease. A calm man values inner peace. When he notices it in others, it creates quiet attraction. The seventh compliment is about curiosity. You could say, I like how curious you are. You actually want to understand things. Curiosity shows depth and openness. It shows that she is engaged with life. When you recognize that, you are appreciating her inner world. This makes her feel respected and mentally connected to you. Calm men value learning and growth. This compliment reflects shared values. The eighth compliment is about self-respect. Saying something like, I admire how you respect yourself and your boundaries. This is powerful because it shows awareness. You are telling her that you notice her standards and that you are not threatened by them. Many men react badly to boundaries, but a grounded man respects them. This creates safety and attraction at the same time. All of these compliments share one thing in common. They are intentional. They are calm. They are not rushed. They are not spoken to get approval. They come from observation and self-control. That is why they work. A calm man understands that silence is powerful, but words, when chosen carefully, can shape how someone remembers you. Speak less, but speak with meaning. That is how you stay in her mind long after the moment passes. Mental depth stands out in a world full of shallow noise and constant distraction. And here is the real magic behind it. When you say the way you see the world really makes me think, you are doing far more than offering a compliment. You are inviting her to open up, to keep sharing, to explore thoughts and ideas with you without pressure. You are encouraging depth in a calm and natural way. You are creating emotional closeness without any physical touch because you are connecting where it truly matters most, in the mind. Connections built at that level do not disappear overnight. They stay, they grow, they become memories she revisits when she is alone. She remembers how you made her feel understood, valued, and safe. And that is the real power of words. Not loud words, not flashy words, but simple, intentional words, spoken with calm confidence. That is what separates a man from the crowd. That is what makes you unforgettable. They stay with her. They linger inside her for years, because while most men chase surface beauty and quick attention, you chose to respect depth, thought, and perspective. And that is the real difference between being forgettable and being impossible to forget. I love your energy. It is truly contagious. It honestly makes me want to become the best version of myself. Let's talk about something many people underestimate and ignore. Energy shapes everything. You have felt it before without needing words to explain it. Some people drain you the moment they walk into a room. Their presence feels heavy, tense, negative, and tiring. You cannot always explain why, but your body senses it instantly. Then there is the opposite type of person, someone who lifts the atmosphere simply by being there. They do not demand attention. They do not force conversation. They naturally raise the level of the room. That is the kind of woman we are talking about here. When you tell her your energy makes me want to be better, you are offering one of the highest forms of appreciation possible. You are saying you inspire growth in me, you awaken motivation in me, you push me forward without even trying. That carries far more weight than any comment about looks ever could. Here is the truth. Life is short, time moves fast. If you are serious about living with purpose, you cannot afford to surround yourself with people who drain your spirit. You need people who challenge you, energize you, and raise your standards just by the way they live. When a woman brings that kind of light, that kind of motivating presence, it deserves to be acknowledged. From a Stoic point of view, this matters deeply. The Stoic man values growth more than comfort. He chooses people who sharpen him, who push him out of laziness and into excellence. So when you give her this compliment, you are not praising her mood or personality alone. You are honoring her impact. She is not just pleasant to be around. She multiplies your potential. That is not empty praise. That is real respect. Say it with intention. I love your energy. It makes me want to be the best version of myself. Because when she hears that, she understands she is not only desired, she is admired. And that single distinction changes everything. You are honestly one of the most thoughtful people I have ever met. You genuinely care about others, and it shows clearly. Let's be honest, we live in a world obsessed with self-promotion, filtered images, and fake kindness. Everyone wants to look good. Very few people actually are good at their core. So when you say this to a woman, you are cutting through layers of noise and surface behavior. You are noticing something most people overlook. You are not complimenting her posts, her style, or how she presents herself. You are recognizing her character. You are seeing the small things that truly matter. The way she remembers details others forget. The way she checks in without being asked. The way she listens fully instead of waiting to speak. The way she goes out of her way to make people feel heard, valued, and understood. That is not surface-level charm. That is depth. That is substance. That is integrity. It is easy to look attractive. It is easy to sound clever, but it is rare to be deeply kind in a consistent way. Most men focus so much on attraction that they miss what truly builds connection. Thoughtful people give, they nurture, they protect the emotional space around them. They do not dominate a room with noise, they hold it with calm presence. And when you tell her you see this in her, you are saying, I see your heart, I see your effort. I see your goodness, that reaches places shallow, compliments never touch. From a Stoic lens, this matters even more. Stoicism values virtue over vanity, character over appearance. The Stoics believed a meaningful life is built on integrity, empathy, and contribution. So when you acknowledge her thoughtfulness, you are not just making her feel appreciated. You are affirming that goodness is strength, compassion is wisdom, and real value comes from what we give, not what we take. You are honoring what she contributes to the world, not just what she shows it. And she will never forget the man who noticed that about her when others did not. I love how driven you are. Your sense of purpose is truly inspiring. Let's talk about drive for a moment, that inner fire that separates those who drift through life from those who build something meaningful. In a world addicted to shortcuts, distractions, and instant pleasure, real ambition is rare. So when you recognize her drive, you are not just motivating her, you are acknowledging her mission. You are saying, I see your discipline. I respect your late nights. I understand the sacrifices behind your goals. That is not flattery. That is awareness. You are not just noticing effort. You are respecting mindset. And here is why that matters so much. Driven people do not chase validation. They are focused on progress. They move forward quietly. So when someone truly sees their dedication, it lands deeply. Especially for a woman who is often told to slow down, to settle, to be less intense, to be more convenient. When you say her purpose inspires you, you are not just supporting her ambition, you are standing beside it. From a Stoic perspective, this is powerful. A Stoic man understands that time is limited and wasted potential is one of the greatest losses. He moves with intention just like she does. So when you recognize her drive, you are seeing a kindred spirit in a world full of distractions and half-finished dreams. You are telling her she is rare, focused, and worthy of respect. That kind of compliment lasts because it honors direction, not appearance. You have an incredible way of making people feel comfortable and truly valued. Let's talk about emotional intelligence, that quiet strength that cannot be faked. The ability to make others feel safe, understood, and appreciated simply through presence. Some people walk into a room and demand attention. A rare few walk in and create connection. When you tell a woman this, you are speaking directly to her core. This is not about looks. It is not about charm. It is about presence. She does not need to perform or impress. She simply exists, and people feel better because she is there. That is a gift. When you recognize this, you are not praising social skills. You are honoring her ability to connect, to heal, to make others feel like they matter. In a world where many feel invisible, most people do not know how to truly hold space for others. They are trapped in insecurity or the need to prove something. But she listens, she adapts, she understands, she lifts others without needing credit. When you say she has a way of making people feel comfortable, you are telling her presence is grounding and calming. From a Stoic point of view, this is one of the highest virtues. Stoicism teaches empathy, awareness, and meaningful connection. To understand before reacting, to listen before speaking. When you acknowledge her emotional intelligence, you are recognizing something increasingly rare, graceful, and deeply memorable. These are not just compliments spoken lightly. They are bridges to deeper connection, shared respect, and lasting chemistry, because a woman may forget the exact words you used, but she will never forget how you made her feel seen, understood, respected, and valued, long after the moment has passed. And that is the real power of words used with intention. Not to impress, not to manipulate, but to reflect truth. To recognize what others overlook, to speak to the deeper parts of someone's soul. That is what separates ordinary conversation from meaningful connection. When you choose words that honor her energy, her kindness, her drive, and her emotional depth, you are doing more than complimenting her. You are seeing her, and every human being wants to be seen, truly seen. Not for what they post, not for how they look, not for what they pretend to be, but for who they really are when no one is watching. When you give her that recognition, you become unforgettable because you did not just admire her surface, you respected her essence. And that kind of respect stays.